Huffy on fish. I got my double clamp mount on the bike, and I'm going to head on down to an area that I could do some speed test runs, and that's the GoPro Hero 10 that I got. And that's what we're going to do the test run with. We're going to set it up for the Cannondale Adventure 2. So here I am. I'm going to head on down and go race, see how fast I can go, like the gentleman that passed me by, and get on down that trail at a distance with the GoPro Hero 10. I need to sit here and wait for GPS to start. And that's going to take some time, and I have to swipe down and wait for this screen over here to get GPS signal. There'll be a little teardrop popping up somewhere. There's the teardrop. I formatted my card and I'm ready to go. So let's swipe on up, switch you out, and get going. This is not about speed, how fast I could get up to 25, but see if I can get to 25 before I get towards the hills. So we're going to start out in gear number 2 and just keep on going. I try to do my best to mention the gears. Here we go. Gear number 2, 3, 4. It just basically skipped right to 4, 5, 6, 7, top gear. Here I go. Top gear, the hardest I'm pedaling. Hands on the brakes. And I can't go any faster than that. Woohoo! I'm gonna brake. And I think I went 23 miles per hour. Man, I tried to pedal fast. I couldn't do any faster than that. Woo! So off I go. I shot in the widest field of view. I switched on over to linear plus horizon. That's what I like. With linear plus horizon level, we'll head on down to the end. Nice catch, sand shark. It's a baby sand shark.
Не берете?
No. You're gonna eat it? Enjoy fishing. All right, people do pay attention. They see what's happening. And I got on film nicely. The gentleman called me over to capture it and show it to you. He asked me a question. Maybe you can understand what he said to me. Do I want it? I said no. Nicely. As we ride along,